Front wheel making noise. Not touching the plate. It's not touching the plate at all and still making noise.